Whether it's sunny and dry or thunder showers arrive, the dog days of summer can be tough on your garden, but we're going to give you some tips on how to maintain your garden throughout the summer. First, take a look at reblooming perennials. Plants like catmint can be trimmed to neaten them up, or if they're splitting open and looking bare in the center, they can be cut back to 5 or 6 inches so they flush out another round of showy flowers. Plants like Stella d'Oro daylilies should have their dead stalks cut back to encourage more blooms. Neaten up any shrubs that look messy or overgrown by gently pruning them. Ornamental fruits such as weeping cherries, crab apples, and pears tend to send up sucker shoots from the root system near the trunk. These shoots take away nutrients from the main plant and have no value. Prune them off as they grow. While you're making your way through the gardens, be diligent and look for insects and diseases. All plant issues are better controlled when they're caught early on. Japanese beetles are one of the most common pests this time of year. You'll notice their damage quite readily by the sight of holes in your leaves or damaged flower buds. There are many options for controlling Japanese beetles. Visit our garden center and we will help you choose the best option for you. Also look for lace bugs on Andromedas. These tiny insects suck the juice out of the foliage, leaving the leaf surface discolored and mottled. A sure sign of this will be black droppings on the undersides of leaves. When spraying to treat lace bugs, it is important to also spray the underside of the leaf surface as well as the top. With warm, humid weather, fungal diseases like powdery mildew will start to appear. The leaves on your plants will get a hazy white cast over part or all of the surface. It's generally harmless, however, leaves your plants looking unhealthy. Black spot is another common fungal disease, most often showing up on roses, but also on other plants. As with treating insects, you will have options when it comes to dealing with fungal diseases in your garden. So be sure to talk to one of our experts to find the best solution for you. Last on today's maintenance checklist, keeping your annuals vibrant and blooming is not difficult at all. Try liquid feeding with a water-soluble fertilizer like Miracle-Gro All-Purpose Fertilizer every 7 to 10 days. Water-soluble fertilizers are almost immediately taken up and utilized by the plants, keeping them lush, green, and blooming beautifully. These are some of the things that you should be doing in your garden now. Stay tuned for more videos where we go into a little bit more detail on each topic and teach you all you need to know about being a successful gardener.